Ever snag a lead online, only to realize you totally spaced on the follow-up? Ouch, right? Someone fills out a form, books a call, downloads your amazing guide, then crickets. Days later, you're like, oops, and the opportunity? Gone. Small businesses and creators feel this pain hard when trying to juggle everything manually. The truth bomb? It's not about laziness. It's about the automation void. When every single follow-up has to be hand-delivered, stuff inevitably falls through the cracks. You get swamped. Leads forget you. Potential customers ghost. It's brutal. So, what's the fix? Many try duct taping a bunch of tools together, one for emails, another for texts, another for who knows what. But that Frankenstein approach usually creates more chaos, not less. Enter GoHighLevel's automation system, your secret weapon. Imagine building workflows that kick into gear the instant a lead enters your world. Someone fills out a form? Bam. GoHighLevel fires off a welcome email, follows up with a text, and schedules reminders, all on autopilot. We're talking welcome email, SMS follow-up, and automated reminders. These magical workflows live inside GoHighLevel's Workflow Builder. Craft simple sequences that guide leads through your entire marketing journey, without you lifting a finger every step of the way. For newbies, this is huge. Ditch the lead chasing and let your system nurture and follow up for you, automatically. More consistent communication, fewer missed opportunities. That's the name of the game. Over time, this kind of automation transforms a simple marketing setup into a lean, mean, lead-generating machine that works for you, 24/7. Ready to unleash the power of GoHighLevel? Click the link below for your free GoHighLevel for Beginners ebook, What Actually Matters First. Plus, snag a free trial of GoHighLevel and see the magic for yourself. What are you waiting for?